Well, linear equations in one variable. So we are discussing exercise 2.2, 8th class. The question is like this: the difference between two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. Find the numbers. Okay, let the smaller number be x, and the difference between the two numbers is 8, right? So the difference between two numbers equals to 8. So the bigger number will be equals to x plus 8. So here, if 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times the smaller number. So given that 2 is added to the bigger number, so 2 plus the bigger number is equals to 3 times, that means 3 into the smaller number, okay, all right. So 2 plus the bigger number is x plus 8, right, equals to 3 into the smaller number is x. Now, so the 2 plus 8 will become 10. So x plus 10 equals to 3 into x will become 3x. That implies 3x, if you transpose that x to the right hand side, it will become 3x minus x, that equals to 10. We know that 2x minus x is equals to 2x, that equals to 10. If you take to the 2 to the right hand side, it will become 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is equals to 5. So the x value is 5. So now the smaller number, so we know that the smaller number is x and x value is 5. So write 5. Now, so what else? The bigger number. So we have to write the bigger number. So the bigger number is equals to x plus 8. So x is equals to 5. So 5 plus 8 will become 13. So the smaller number is 5 and bigger number is 13. So the required numbers are 5, 13. That's it. That's the answer. So let's move on to the next problem, the third one. What are those two numbers whose sum is 58 and the difference is 28? So let the smaller number be equals to x. Since the difference is 28, so the difference between the two numbers equals to 28. So the bigger number will become be so x plus 28. So now it is given that the sum, the sum is 58, right? So given that the sum of the two numbers is equal to 58. So the sum, in the sense, the smaller number, because it is sum, you have to write plus, and the bigger number. That equals to 58. We know that the smaller number is x plus, and the bigger number is x plus 28. X plus 28. So write x plus 28, that equals to 58. So x plus x will become 2x plus 28 equals to 58. So now take this 28 to the right hand side. Then 2x equals to 58 minus 28, which will be equals to 30. So x equals to 30 by 2. 30 by 2. 30 by 2 equals to 15. So the x value is equals to 15. So what is x? The smaller number equals to 15. Now let us write the bigger number. The bigger number is equals to what? X plus 28. So write x plus 28. So we know that x equals to 15. So write 15 plus 28. That equals to 43. So the required numbers. So let us write the required numbers. The required numbers are equals to 15, 43. That's it. Okay, let's move on to the fourth sum. What is it? The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the numbers. So consecutive odd numbers, the numbers whose difference is 2. So here they are odd numbers and they are consecutive, so the difference must be 2. So let the two consecutive odd numbers are x and x plus 2. Right? So x and x plus 2. So it is given that the sum is equals to 56. So given that the sum, what is sum in the sense? You need to add them. So x plus 2 equals to 56. Write 56 here. So now x plus x will become 2x plus 2 equals to 56. So if you transpose this 2 to the right hand side, it will become minus 2. So 2x equals to 56 minus 2, that equals to 54. Now x equals to 54. If you take 2 to the right hand side, it will become 54 by 2. So 54 by 2 is equals to 27. Therefore the value of x is 27. What is x here? The first number. So now let us write the second number. The second number equals to x plus 2. We know that x plus 2 is the second number and x is 27, right? So write plus 2. 27 plus 2, 29. So the required numbers are 27, 29. So 27 and 29 are the required numbers. That's it. Let's move on to the fifth problem. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Find these multiples. Okay, so since they are multiples of 7, let the three consecutive multiples of 7 be x, x plus 7 and x plus 14. So these are the multiples of 7, right? X plus 7 and x plus 14. So now it is given that the sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. So let us write the sum in the sense x, the sum of these three numbers, the sum of these three numbers equals to 777. So since it is sum, you have to add all these three numbers. So x plus 7 plus third one x plus 14 equals to 777. So x plus x will become 3x plus 7 plus 14 will become 21 equals to 777. That implies if you transpose 21 to the right hand side, 3x equals to 777 minus 21, which is equals to 756. Now transpose 3 to the right hand side, it will become x equal to 756 by 3. On cancellation we will get 2 x equal to 252. So the value of x is 252. So let us find the second number. The second number is x plus 7, which is equals to x in the sense 252 plus 7, that equals to 259. X plus 14. So we know that x equals to 252 plus 14, that will become 266. So we got first, second and third numbers. Now the required numbers, are, so what, 252 comma 259 comma 266. That's it. That's the answer. Thanks for watching video SS Academy. Thank you.